What if your voice, your ideas, and your story could build the life you've always dreamed of? What if your personal brand became your greatest asset, one that works for you 24/7, opening doors, creating income, and amplifying your impact? Welcome to the Personal Brand and Side Hustle Academy 2026. This isn't just another online course, it's a transformation. Here you'll learn how to turn your passions into profit, build a magnetic brand that attracts opportunities, design scalable offers that make money while you sleep, and create the kind of freedom most people only dream about. The future doesn't belong to those who play it safe. It belongs to those who build themselves. Whether you're an employee ready to step into entrepreneurship, a coach or creator building your next chapter, or someone who simply knows they're meant for more, this academy gives you the step-by-step path to build your brand, your business, and your belief in what's possible. By the time you finish, you won't just know how to create a side hustle, you'll know how to create leverage. You'll have the clarity, confidence, and systems to turn your ideas into income and your presence into power. So ask yourself, will you keep consuming or start creating? The best time to build your brand was yesterday. The next best time is right now. Join the movement. Join the freedom. Join the Personal Brand and Side Hustle Academy 2026. Your audience is waiting, and your transformation starts today.